I'll show you how Relay is the most intuitive automation software with a quick example that I just built in like 5 minutes. So I have this campaign, an outbound campaign that is doing great. I'm having a lot of responses, but there's a lot of manual work involved because I'm getting these forwarded emails from one of our partners that is helping us to ship these campaigns out on Outbound. Now I'm getting these emails forwarded and I need to share them with my team and with myself to be accountable to respond fast. So I set this automation up on Relay in just a few minutes. So here's the logic. Let me walk you through. So whenever an email is received from one of these emails and it contains any of these keywords that are related to the campaign, then it'll forward the email to our main team email. And from there, we will be flagged to respond fast. And with that resource that we promised via Outbound, then have a parsing GPT that is capable of extracting the main information from that email, like the lead email, the name, the response, the domain, and then with that information, looking up into our complete database of the people who we ended up contacting on this outbound campaign and looking up their information on this Google Sheets with that information that you just parsed from GPT, right? So with this, afterwards, I will add it into our Notion database that is our operational place for the leads that we're saving and adding it with some notes on that client. So adding it into our prospects database with a bit of information on the origin and the linked information from the parsed email and also from that database. Where last item, I am just sharing in a message to my team the response from this lead so we can take action fast. So I set this up on Relay. It's getting great results and it was super fast, to be honest. Huge shout out to Nico from Lead Sales because he is helping us run this very successful campaign.